fire this past summer. Just grouse hunting in a pretty nice area. Nothing had been burned. But you look at some of this, and it torched everything.
Even the rocks are burned.
Yep, even up to the rocks. Burnt it and burnt it. Hot fire. Blew everything right down. Right up from the wind of the fire. That was the other one. Jenkins Creek fire. Burned right across the swamps. Not much for needles left. They had all the ribby dog on nothing, so.
It's just like.
There's the old ribby dog climbing on my shoulder. Hey, Rib. There's spots that are green, but most of it's burnt.